It's no secret celebrity marriages do not last, but these few have been exceptional and managed to stay together for more than 10 years and still counting. We start off with Dokota Magitari Freeman HKG and his beautiful wife Barbara. Even though some people tend to criticize Freeman's choice and cyberbully his wife, this hasn't stopped these two from living their happily ever after and growing in their marriage. It is reported that Freeman and Barbara dated for 6 years before Freeman paid raw water in 2012. It has been 12 years of marriage and still counting. Soma Mtukuzi and Tendai Manasa have one of the most beautiful celebrity marriages. They met in 2005 when Soma started working for Tangawekwa Sando as a backing vocalist. Tendai was also working for him as a drummer. They became friends and later on went on to date for 2 years before Tendai went and paid raw water to the Mtukuzi family in 2007. They've been married for 17 years and they have 3 children together. The Charambas are truly exemplary when it comes to marriage. They met back in 1995 when my Olivia Charamba was still just an ordinary church member. They went on to date and eventually got married. In 2024, it has been 26 years of marriage and they currently have 5 children, 3 daughters and 2 sons. Sir Alec Macheso and his wife Nyadzisai are one celebrity couple that have had so many ups and downs over the years, but they are still together, going strong and staying true to their until death do us apart. Even though details of how they met and when they eventually got married are not known to the public, they've been together for nearly 30 years and they are the proud parents of 5 children, 4 girls and 1 boy. Minister Michael Mayendere and his wife Wimbai Nyatsambo met back in 2010 when they were at church at UFIC. They dated for a year before they got married in 2011. They've been married for 13 years in 2024. Gospel musician Fungisai is also another celebrity who has been married for the longest of time. Fungisai got married to Courage in 2006. They've been married for 18 years in 2024.